Hey guys, welcome back. It's been over a week since Russell picked up his Jeep, and I made this video over a week ago, and it's just been so crazy busy that I'm just getting back to it. So as soon as Russell left, I moved in a Pantera, and I've been jamming on this a little bit. I'm trying to get all my paint projects finished up before the cold weather. And I got to get this Pantera out of here. And then I've got Tom's CJ3A that I have to finish before the cold weather moves in. And I never know when that's going to happen. But we're creeping up on October. We've got a lot of chicken processing to do. We've got to put the cows down and butcher those up. And I've got a ton of engines, axles, and everything else to get finished up. So this is ready for masking and high build. The hood was a nightmare. Just working on this. I've got two guys helping me on this, so I'll be doing some of the finish work in the spraying, and some of the tricky areas I'll take care of, but this is going to happen over the weekend probably. That's the red color we're using, base clear, 351 Cleveland in there, and this one actually drove in here, so we don't have to push this one around. So I have outside right now, it's still a little damp, but outside right now I have my very last sandblasting job in the back, a Dodge pickup. We're going to lift up with the crane, sandblast and paint and fluid film the underside. And then I have, like I said, I sold the compressor, and I have a guy now that is operating out of here sandblasting, and that works out good because he can handle the sandblasting. And the compressor will be here all the time, and the blast pot and everything, so that works out very good. And I just bought sand yesterday, and amazingly it has gone up again. We are now at over $700 a pallet for sandblasting sand, so it's getting crazy, and the price of blasting is going up, but nothing we can really do about it. Everything is just between diesel and sand. It's crazy. So we'll just keep on keeping on. I will get out there in a little bit, get my last sandblasting job done, and then let somebody else take over that part of the business. So I know it's been a week since you saw Russell's Jeep leave. You'll see it on this video, and lots happening, and I will take you along and try and make videos a little more frequently as time allows. So thanks for watching. I'll catch everybody on the next one. Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Working on Gary's engine today. Finally have everything I need to put it together. You remember his crank was in rough shape, so I had a crank ground for him. And this one is 10 on the mains, 10 on the rods, so very good crank. I sent it out as standard. I don't get many of those anymore, but we're putting the best stuff in Gary's engine. Everything's lubed up. Crank spins freely. I got his crank end play set at 4 thousandths, and I've got the cam just kind of resting in there right now. Tappets are in. I still got to put the gear on there and the gear on here now that I got the end play set. And over on this bench I have Gary's 80 over pistons connected to the rods, and I got some Hastings rings that are going on there, and I was just going to put those in, and Russell is now on his way to pick up his Jet Set Blue Metallic CJ5, so I had to get that out of the booth, and let's go take a look at that in the sun. Okay guys, here it is. hard to get you in on it real good. But it looks good in the sun. And there she is. The rest of the parts are still in the booth. I'll have them back right up to that and load everything in there. But it is on the trailer and ready to go to his house. So that's what it looks like in the sun, and I think he'll be very happy with it. Okay, some goodies that I picked up yesterday. There's that Dana 30 that I was looking for, and I already started stripping that down so I can get it cleaned up and a gear swap in there. And I was able to get, let's creep around here, it's kind of tight in here now with the scrambler in here, but if you peek right in there, I was able to pick up two very nice hard doors for my 86 CJ7, and I scored a very nice hard top, a CJ hard top. Very nice inside. Got tinted glass, and the major thing, the rear window is not rusted at all. It works perfectly. So that was yesterday's roundup. It was a good day. I was able to get everything locally, and I don't show much on that 86 CJ7, but maybe in the future. And there's things happening on that, and trying to get that ready for the road. And I wanted a hard top for it, and was able to get this one at a good price locally. Okay guys, small update on the snowblower Jeep. It is under its own power now, and I was absolutely able to drive it into this back shop now. And if you remember a long time ago when I built the clutch linkage for this one, got a lot of grief the way I built it, but it is super nice. I wish you guys could actually feel it. It is so silky smooth, so light pressure. It's a joy to use this clutch linkage. I'm super happy with it. It came out real good. I adjusted it. Clutch grabs real low like I like it. And now I can back this in and out as I need to. And got that side closed up. And I'm still waiting on some insulation so I could build these doors. I did get like 100 sheets of this 2-inch polyiso insulation. I got 2 pallets of it sitting here, and that's going to go inside this building after I insulate it. I'm waiting on some insulation, and then I'll put that polyiso on the ceiling, those walls down there on the side here. I want to keep this place warm, heated, and be able to work in here comfortably. And I'll put some on this side too. So I've got plenty of it, and I've got to find a better home for the snowblower Jeep. I'm very close to having the engine and snowblower unit figured out for hydraulic drive. I just can't put the drive shaft to block this door. I don't want to come in through the passenger side. I finally am working with somebody that's helping me figure that out, making sure between horsepower and RPM and torque and all that stuff that we're going to have enough to get the blower going. So we're still in design stages on that, but the Jeep is running and moving. I gotta put the glass in, the hard top, and the doors, but making progress when I can on this. There's a million things to do this time of year as it starts to get cooler, but making progress on that as well.